Imagine losing a customer and never knowing why. This slide sets the stage with a simple envelope icon and a stark headline to show how routine notifications can silently fail while your site stays quiet and your team remains unaware until a complaint surfaces. Here we walk through the anatomy of a silent drop. A routine WooCommerce confirmation or password reset fails to send, the user waits and retries until they lock themselves out, and finally an angry 1-star review appears, costing you a recurring client over a missed notification. WordPress is blind by default, meaning its core has no outbox or memory for outgoing mail. Once it hands a message to the server, it forgets it, and if that server drops the email, administrators stay completely in the dark until a frustrated user complains. Installing an SMTP plugin feels like a fix, but it's only a delivery truck, not a flight recorder. If the email never makes it onto the truck or a spam filter rejects it silently, you still have no actionable logs, no HTML previews, and no easy way to resend. Enter the diagnostic layer. WP email log acts as an independent continuous monitor that captures, tests, and logs every outgoing message via the WP mail hook, providing full visibility, instant resending options, and real-time alerts, so failures stop being invisible and start getting fixed. Think of WP email log as the flight recorder for WordPress with 4 core capabilities. It intercepts and stores exact plain text and HTML payloads, diagnoses deliverability by checking spam scores, alerts you with 24/7 pings when delivery breaks, and recovers messages with a one-click resend. This slide highlights data-backed reliability. Built by a web factory with proven products behind it, daily automated SaaS monitoring tests outgoing servers for uptime, and the system operates completely independent of your SMTP provider, so you get trustworthy diagnostics no matter what. Ignoring deliverability has real costs, and professionals solve it with 3 types of investment: rigorous spam score and sender reputation strategy, hardware level packet and traffic monitoring, and real-time deliverability audits. WP email log brings enterprise-level monitoring directly into WordPress before those problems scale. From blindness to total control, contrast the old pain of relying on angry customers and unreadable server logs with the new reality: real-time SaaS ping alerts, instantly searchable structured logs by date or recipient, exact HTML previews, and the ability to resend a failed message with a single click. Built for client management, WP Email Log lets agencies white label the plugin, monitor per-site stats and delivery across hundreds of client sites from one central hub, auto CC BCC for compliance and exportable logs, and it supports WordPress multi-site out of the box for easy scaling. The comparison shows why SMTP and WP Email Log are complementary. SMTP handles sending mail, but WP Email Log records the full payload, runs spam score checks, provides exact HTML previews, performs 24/7 uptime monitoring, and enables one-click resends, acting as the diagnostic layer that works alongside your SMTP provider. Never Guess Again is about reclaiming peace of mind. Know exactly what your website is sending, who received it, and catch failed checkouts or notification drops before customers even think to complain. So you can act first instead of reacting to negative feedback. Catch the drop, keep the customer emphasizes speed and ownership. By being the first to know about delivery issues and the first to fix them, you prevent churn, preserve trust, and turn missed notifications into resolved incidents before they hit your reviews or revenue. Secure Your Logs today presents simple pricing and guarantees so teams can start protecting clients now with options for 5-site, 100-site, or unlimited agency licenses, lifetime access, and a 60-day money-back guarantee to make it easy to adopt reliable email logging and monitoring immediately.